Hello guys, so I am unboxing my first telescope, which is Powerseeker 50AZ. So we have the quick setup guide, and then we have one box here. We have one more box. And this is the telescope box. Okay. So we have the tripod here. So we have three boxes here. We have the tripod. In this one we have accessories and setup tools. And finally the telescope is here. And this is another accessory that we have. We have the telescope, 1.5x eyepiece, 3x Burlow lens, tripod. Then we have this will be a plate for tripod. We have the mount. This is another eyepiece. This is one more eyepiece. And one more. So this is what we have got in the box. One telescope, 3 small eyepiece, Burlow lens, and 1.5x lens. This would be the guide scope or something. Mount, this for attaching the, I don't know, this is a tripod, and the guide. So I'm doing the quick setup here. This is a tripod and this is a telescope, so it will be attached here. I've successfully mounted the telescope on the tripod.